you very much. And that would be our last question from Weldon Castro Ababado tonight. This time, please invite everyone and a few messages to all our friends over here. Please invite them also to watch your film.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. This is Angela Maranya again. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin at supportahan po yung pelikula namin na aming pagkamahal-mahal. We put all our effort, our passion, and sobrang ganda lang po ng film. At sana tulungan niyo po kami na supportahan at i-promote siya. Kabet this coming February 23. And kasama ko po dyan si Jessa Garcia, si Joseph Elizalde VR Elosa, Sir O'Neil Torres, Tita Lara Morena, Papa Neil Tolentino, and many more. Ayan, thank you po. And this is directed by Direk Lau Fajardo.
Ay, hello po. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood po ng Kabet. This February 23 po, kailangan niyo po talaga ito panoorin kasi sobrang ganda po talaga nito at sobrang pinaghirapan po namin lahat to, lalo po nila direct, ng mga staff, mga production, kaya po kailangan po talaga natin itong suportahan. Mapapanood po ito sa Viva Max.
Before I invite you guys, I would like to also acknowledge the presence of Sam, who did our BTS. So she was actually able to capture the essence of our journey to having Kabit, to finish Kabit. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our producer, Chrisma Fajardo, and two of our brilliant people in the arts department and makeup, Ian Trafalgar and Meg Berluden. They made sure that every detail in the film was precise. Grabe. From, why should you watch Kabit? I personally believe that this is probably one of the best film in the erotic genre. Why? Because each scene, hindi lang siya ginawa na love scene eh. It was artistically choreographed, brilliantly directed, at cinematically done. So it's something to look forward to. Plus, the storyline, brilliant. So inaanyahan ko po lahat kayo na panoorin ito on February 23. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it. Congratulations to Team Kabit. Thank you once again to our cast and staff. Please step forward.